Hello, my favorite YouTube people. What are we here? December 11th. Or the 12th? No, it's the 11th. It'll probably be a week behind before I post this because I'm on a little bit of a delay. But anyways, today's topic: oil in the Chinese heaters. Now, this one is solely diesel. The one behind you guys is the one I'm burning off waste oil. I run them both at the same time. But I will say they are not equal. The one burning on waste oil, I've gotten this code a handful of times. E08 extinguished. Just as the oil circuit might be leaking, bubbles, intake or exhaust blocked, or the oil pump is abnormal, problematic problem. Lots of random words. But it pretty much always restarts as soon as I hit the button. Now, you can't really hear it going, I don't think, because of the microphone. Full tank. It's heating fine. Being sure that wasn't a melt. They both sound the same, actually. This is the one running off diesel. That's the one I had issues out of that I think has actually got a pump issue. But I think the reason I'm getting that code on this one is because maybe there's water in my oil mix. You can't really tell, but this exhaust is that's hot. Don't touch that. That exhaust is cleaner than this exhaust, or it's dirtier than this exhaust. I can actually still see the seam and stuff in here where this is seam welded. That's clean as could be. I could probably wipe my finger in there and it'd be fine. And like I say, this one here is definitely blacker on the inside. Now, I think I've mentioned it in the past. I run that one on 80% motor oil, 20% gas. And like I say, they chug along. Excuse me. Well, like I say, I just wanted to do a little update on this bad boy burning waste oil. And like I say, it has pretty much gone perfectly fine, except for cutting off those handful of times with the E08 error code. And like I say, I am kind of filtering the oil before it goes in there. But I think there may be some water or maybe some other contamination that's cutting out the burner. Like I say, it always fires right back up every time that it does it. So the error and the dirty tailpipe is what I'm seeing. Probably got, I don't know, 50 or 100 hours on these. It's gotten really hard to keep track, and I suck at keeping track. But like I say, I just wanted to do a little update on them, kind of how they're going. And we'll see how they end up when the winter season's over. You guys be good and be safe, and we'll catch you next time.